Before the calculator and computer, there was the abacus. Before the pens, notepads and iPad, there was a cuneiform, the prehistoric writing system. And before these wheels, there were these wheels. Technology has shaped our world from prehistoric tools to today's advanced reality. As we embrace the digital age with its endless possibilities, it's crucial to understand how far we've come, to know where we are headed. Hello, everyone. Welcome to TechnyFire. My name is Dakbo Aruwajoye, the TechnyFire, your host and guide through the world of technology. On this show, together we will fan the flames of technology and ignite the fires of innovation. So buckle up for an unforgettable journey.